How to send large audio files through Gmail. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can send large audio files through Gmail. Now before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's dive right in. So if you want to send large audio files through your Gmail, you can always first try to open up your Gmail. After you're on your Gmail, you can always start by composing a mail. Tap on the compose button. And from here, you can simply start to send it to someone. Start with the subject. You can always add a body and link your file. So tap on this link button here, tap on files, and from here you can select the audio file. So after you select it, if it fits in the Gmail itself, you can attach it, but as you can see, you can only attach attachments that are less than 25 MB. Since mine is above that, I will have to just upload this to Google Drive. So go to your Google Drive. You can download the Google Drive app from the App Store if you don't have it. I'll just open this up. Make sure you're logged in into your account. Then you'll need to have you will just need to upload the audio file in your Gmail. So tap on this plus icon on the bottom right here. Tap on upload file. Tap on browse and select the audio file. After you've done that, tap on upload, and the upload should take time depending on the size of your audio file. But after it's done, what you can do is you can always just send it through the Gmail by tapping on the three dots after this has been uploaded. So tap on the three dots right besides the uploaded audio file. From here, there you can see an option to share this. Tap on share. And from here, you can simply add some people. So let's just add a people here. And after you add this, you can tap on the send button. And this has basically been shared through Gmail, since the shared icon or notification will go through the mail. So they will receive an email about getting this audio file, and they can access it through their drive. And it's that simple. That's how you send large audio files through Gmail. Thanks for watching. That is it for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.